yeah, we did this job for Flex Seal. It's the company you see that cuts the canoe in half, and they put the rubber spray, and it doesn't sink. The canoe doesn't sink. They have a lot of products too. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. We did a bunch of NPRs for them. And the way it works is if you're on the system, one beep is on, locks all the doors. Two beeps is off, unlocks your doors. We went ahead and installed the cellular system, so if the alarm fires off, he'll receive a push notification in his phone, and it also has GPS. And he can track the vehicles wherever they go. And the main thing is to protect that back door in case somebody opens and tries to bust out the lock to steal, anything that they have in the back. Will fire off, and he'll get a text message. Well, actually, the driver will get a text message stating that somebody tampered with that back lock and opened the door. If somebody opens the door, the alarm will fire off. I'll show you guys the truck won't start. Truck is dead. I'm gonna go ahead and disarm the alarm, and that disarms the alarm. Luckily, this truck had power locks, so we went ahead and tied it in so it will also lock and unlock the doors. Close the door on the system and locks your doors. Turn off the alarm, unlocks your doors. So yeah, we gave them the power locks. I'm sure that the drivers are going to really appreciate that. They don't have to keep opening and closing the doors with the key. It's got panic button. It comes with 2 remote controls. Got lifetime warranty. These NPRs were done here in Fort Lauderdale by auto alarm specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. I repeat, 305-298-4814. This job was done here for Flex Seal.